Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need router admin access, your Wi-Fi SSID and password, and an active VPN account. Once you have those, install the VPN client on the device you'll use or on a router that supports VPN firmware. Make sure to download credentials, config files, or the OpenVPN/ICAV2 files the provider gives you. Start the client now and log in. This is the first actionable step to link the VPN to your home network routing. Once done installing, log into your router's admin page or the device's VPN settings. Back up the current configuration before making changes. Upload provider config files or manually enter the server address, chosen protocol, OpenVPN, WireGuard, ICAV2, and your credentials. Configure encryption and DNS according to provider recommendations. Next, choose routing mode. Full tunnel sends all devices through the VPN. Split tunnel sends only selected traffic. Apply and save changes, then restart the router or device to activate the connection. You finish by verifying the VPN is active. Check your public IP and server location with an IP lookup and confirm external sites load. Make sure local network devices remain reachable if you need them. Adjust split tunnel rules if not. Test speeds and latency to ensure performance is acceptable. If something goes wrong, restore the router backup you made, re-enter credentials or config files, try a different VPN server, and restart hardware. These steps resolve the most common connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.